In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate or delete your Telegram account. Whether you want to set your account to auto-delete after a period of inactivity, or you're looking to understand how Telegram's account deletion settings work, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. This is especially useful if you're taking a break from the app or want to ensure your data doesn't stay online indefinitely. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. You can do this on mobile or desktop, but for this tutorial, I'll be walking through the mobile version as it's the most commonly used. Once Telegram is open, look for the settings option. On most devices, you'll find this by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, also known as the hamburger menu. Tap on settings to enter your account settings. Now that you're in settings, scroll down until you find privacy and security. This section controls all aspects of your account privacy, security features, and data management. Tap on privacy and security to open it. Once you're inside privacy and security, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll see an option that says, delete my account if away for. This is Telegram's auto-delete feature that removes your account and all associated data if you don't log in for a certain period of time. Tap on that option. You'll now see a list of time intervals to choose from. Telegram gives you 4 options: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. Select the time period that works best for you. If you want your account deleted quickly after inactivity, choose 1 month. If you prefer a longer grace period, select 12 months. Once you've made your selection, the setting will be highlighted. Now, make sure to tap save or confirm your choice depending on your device. This ensures the setting is applied to your account. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Telegram account to auto-delete after a period of inactivity. Your account will now be permanently removed along with all messages, contacts, and data if you don't log in within the time frame you selected. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy to follow tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.